Sell some chicken from the store, of course. I'm gonna cut these bad boys in half and put them on the plates. Okay, so I got all my pieces cut down and everything. Gonna be using, you know, of course, pepper, salt, and then this Weber seasoning I actually really like. Cake and chicken seasoning. It's one of like the best in my opinions. So I'm just gonna salt this bad boy up. We'll season it all together. Grab your salt. Gonna season it. Start tapping the chicken. Looks kind of beautiful, actually. You know, you just flip over the pieces of chicken, flip them all over. For me, I kind of just like to do different orders for like the seasoning and stuff. So, putting this one on next. It's the first time I did salt, pepper, and then the seasoning, and so now I'm just doing pepper, seasoning, then salt. So, okay, so now the grill is good to go. The light is off. So, open this bad boy up. It's all heated and everything. Don't obviously touch it, it's gonna burn you. Obvious reasons. So, put this bad boy on here. And no, this ain't no Gordon Ramsay cooking, just to make that clear, but it's just my version of the cooking that I've learned from experience, and it's amazing. So, all these pieces on right here. Don't be afraid to, obviously, you know, move them around, touch them and stuff, blah, blah, blah. If there's some out of place, and like, you know, move them. Let them cook. And so, if you guys don't know the degrees on, like, you know, for like the cooked chicken is 165, but other people may say like 180, 185, 5 to 6 minutes. So, if it's not done in like 5 minutes, then give it like another minute, and it should be like literally done. So, in like a few minutes, we're just gonna, you know, check it really quick with the thermometer. If it's not done yet, obviously, you know, cook it for longer. I know it's for a fact that like a lot of people are, you know, very afraid of cooking and kind of lazy, but I mean, it's really fun to do, and it's just very easy depending on like what you're wanting to cook. But okay, stick it in really quick, see what temperature it is. So 121, no, it is not done yet. Okay, 140. Okay, so just, you know, go ahead and check like some pieces of it. Okay, so this one, 170, this is now done. So we can actually go do, obviously grab a fork. And you can take this bad boy off since it is already done now. So lay that right there. Perfect. And it's a beautiful piece of chicken. Check the next piece. If it's not 165, keep on cooking. This one is done. Oh my god, it looks so gorgeous. Oh, okay. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. If I can even stick this, please. Okay, so these other ones were not done yet. So I guess if you want to move around, you can. Don't be afraid. It's just a little, you know, burnish or whatever, blah, 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 and stuff. So one side is all done. Close it. 30 seconds, at least, like 30 seconds to 40 seconds, and then just recheck it back again and see how long, or like the temperature is. And if it's 165, or maybe like a tad bit over, you are beautiful. So if it's less than that, keep cooking.